at that lovely weather. So today feels like the first real day of spring and almost summer. I mean, it's, you know, towards the end of April now. So yeah, it's not far. Hopefully this weather's supposed to stay like this for the rest of the week. So just got in from work, just had something to eat. We're going to go up to Hardwick Hall, and I really want to fly my drone now. So let's go. God, it takes time setting stuff up like that. So yeah, today's, like I said, it's the first decent day we've had. Today is also days until we fly out to America for our wedding, basically. So yay, happy days. Not long now. So now usually that's the big pond, that's the way you normally go. I'm gonna take a walk up here. Can't remember if I've ever been up this way. So, and chances are there's gonna be less people to make me feel like a dick talking to camera, really. I think that's the hardest part for anyone who wants to do a bit of vlogging. I won't call myself a vlogger, or not a full-time vlogger, obviously. I just make videos I enjoy making. But when I do want to do a bit of a vlog, yeah, I feel like an idiot. Unless you're in a big city, you know, London, New York, you feel less of a dick because you'll never see people again. So yeah, this is where we are. That's the lake we've just walked around, and that's the Great Lake thing. As you see, there's all these little ponds here. Hardwick Hall's up here, you've got Hardwick Inn down there if you want a drink. Yeah, so as I say, if you've never been, yeah, straight off the M1 at junction 29. It's about 2 minutes from there. So, and it's free. Well, pay for parking, a couple of quid. But if you want to go into the Hardwick Hall, it's a different entrance. You have to pay to go into Hardwick Hall itself. I see lambs, winner. God, it's warm now. To be fair, I think that's down to droning around. It's first time, well, it's about the second time this year I've flown, but I've not really flown properly since I had a bit of a scuff in Lanzarote back in November. I always seem to get nervous as well, not because me doing anything wrong with the drone or anything like that. I'm just worried if it drops out of the sky. Now I know, you know, it happens by another, but I can't at the moment, and the reason I bought this drone really was to try and get some footage when we go to America. Yeah, I think that's it for today, really. We'll go back and I'll show you some footage on the way back, and that's about it. Yeah, very nice around here then. So as I say, now the better weather's coming, I can get out and make more videos again. Yeah, it makes everyone feel happy. Get out, practicing with the drone a bit more, and that's about it. So videos you may not like, you may like, make whatever I fancy. This one's been a bit of an ad hoc video today. It stayed nice until after work. So yeah, if you've liked this video, then smash that like button. If you're not subscribed already, then hit that subscribe button as well, and click the bell icon for instant notifications. And if you've been here, just leave a comment below and let me know what you think of it. So until next time, that's it.